Welcome back. Now let us learn few more things. In R you can save any object. Whatever you create, you can save it. And I'm just showing you a few examples. In 429 we are creating some object. Here by just for sake of simplicity I have taken the date object. So this is the date object we have. And now you can save using the RDS like this. This is the object and this is the file and it will be saved. And you can retrieve that object. So let us save it. 433. It has been saved. And if you see, this is the my object.rds. It has been saved. Now you can read that object here 436 similar way, and 437 you can print it similar. Now here I have shown using the date, but you can save the object, any kind of object. So it does not matter. Okay. For the few of the library, they have the special way, very different from the traditional R object. So they also give save and read function. So you should use the save and read function of those libraries. And wherever it has not been given, you can use these two, save RDS and the read RDS. Now let us go ahead and learn the mathematical functions. So R is flooded with so many mathematical functions that there is a huge booth for this. And there are few mathematical functions which I am going to show you. These are the few things which we commonly use, and definitely not the exhaustive list. Exhaustive list, even the 1000th line will be the insufficient to write that. So line 443 just for absolute value, 444 for square, root, ceiling, floor, truncation, round, significant, and all these things. We use it frequently. Trigonometric functions are also there. You can use it. Log, this is the natural logarithm, that is the base u. And this is the base 10. This is for expression. And if you want to make some kind of sequence, some sequence, so let us see the sequence. So 5 to 20, and each step is by 2. So this is how you make it. 460 is for the repeating, or for the sum number. Like 1, 2, 3 getting repeating twice. So this is what you see. Okay. And in case of a few things like a service string, 463. This is a service string, and you want to get the sum from 5 to 7. Okay. This is the service string you can get. Grep is for the search. So if you are trying to search a pattern called HO in this one, then it will give you where it is. And wherever it is say something called is not equal to case true, because all of us know that you should not worry about the capital and small letter. So let us go and see the what it gives. 467, and if you see 467, it is giving at it is getting on the first and second HO, because the third is having grade, that is not having HO. And if you want to know the value, so 469 is one of the value. This is where it has got it. And the grep and the GSUB you must have learned in the regular expression. So this there it is a huge. GSUB is for G for generic or the global. Sub means substitute. So substitute HO with replacement capital HO. So let us go and see this. I'm running for 473 and 474 in one go. So GSUB you can do many kind of substitute. And the 476 we are substituting that space. This is a space part with with underscore. So let us run. So this is PC. Wherever there is a space, it has been substituted by underscore. See, one thing in a very simple way, I'll explain you that whenever you have to some kind of say finding using grep, substituting using the GSUB, try to search the internet and try to learn little bit. So in the first time you may not become expert, but this is the way it really works out. So in your project, first you have to write, please make sure it is working, and then put it in production. Now for the split, 479 we are trying to split this using the space. Wherever there is space, it will split. 479 is the split. So we had the 3 string, all has been splitted like this. Now paste is concatenating the string. So if you want to say concatenate, these are the strings with a separator with double column. So let us see how does it do. 481. So it has done it using 481. And if you want to concatenate multiple things like here each and then without a space, concatenation here is the this space is without a space. So let me run it, then I'll show you. H1, H2, H3. So what it is doing, see this is a 3 number and this has been replicated 3 times. So this become 3 and both have been concatenated without a space. This is over here. And the same thing now in a hyphen. 483 is with hyphen. Okay. 484, there is something more. What it is doing, that yes, it is a concatenating using this hyphen plus collapsing. It means all these are the 3 strings. These 3 strings are further getting concatenated using the comma separated. You can make it uppercase in 486, lowercase 487. See, there are a lot of the way in the operations you can do it. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next one.